everybody. It's Gretchen from Bellingham Bassett's. I'd like to show you once again our blankets that my mom has done, and they have caught on like wildfire because we put the scent of Mom and the puppies on the blankets before we send our puppies to you guys. So it's just been a wonderful transition having these blankets available, handmade, that we send along with our puppies. So I thought I'd do another video just explaining what they are and the quality of the products. So this is our cowhide, which is plush, like chenille, backed blankie. It's really big. It's almost the size of like a regular adult dog bed. So this will transition from puppy to adult perfectly. The other side of it has the fleece side, which is the Bassett side. And then this is the Snuggle Bunny side, which is, they just love it. The puppies go crazy. They snuggle in this. So this one's $35. It's called our cowhide one. The other ones are, we have a plush brown backing, exactly the same size. And these go for $30. It's either brown or we have a red plush. So 3 choices. Cowhide, $35, brown plush, $30, and red plush, $30 also. Then, which I'm really excited about because I use these all the time when my dogs are in the house, are the snoods. So I'm going to demonstrate how fabulous these work too. So we've got, they're all adult size. You really don't need it for your puppy, but you do for your adult. And I mean like from 6 months onward. So we've got the red footprint, paw print, the brown paw print, the cowhide, or the Bassett color one. So here we go with the demo. This is Leo. Come here, Leo bub. So we will put on his snood. Oh, Garth wants a piece of it too. Come here, baby. And tuck his ears in. Come here, Leo. Okay. And then we'll get Bella's. Bella, come here, baby. Hey, Bella. Bella feels very feminine wearing hers. Lily. And then Garth. Come here, bud. Come here, Garthy. We'll get Garthy's on. And tuck his ears in. And they all keep their ears out of the water bowl. So here's my big demo. Let's see if they'll do this. You guys want some water? Come here, buds. Come here. Come here. Oof. Well, they sniffed it. Come here, Belle. You want some water? Want some water? Come here, Belle. You want some water? Does anyone see any flapping ears hanging in the water bowl? You guys got to get the snood. The blanket, again, is a must too because of the transition thing from mommy litter to home, carrying that scent over. The last thing we have too are the bow ties, which when you go on a walk with your doggy, having them wear the stretchy neck bow tie, which is not featured, but it's on the website. So cute. Love the bow tie. My dogs wear it when we go on walks. So this is all going to be available on BassettWear.com, and I hope you go there and make a purchase. Thanks, guys. See you soon.